For number 74 on page 350, I'm seeing it's talking about middle schoolers with what grade they are and what they decide is important to them. So for part A, we are asked to find the probability that somebody ranks athleticism as their important factor given they are in 5th grade. So I'm not looking at all 300 students. I'm looking at exclusively these 5th graders because they are my limiting condition. So given I know I'm in this group, so already I know my denominator would have to be 108, because there's 108 5th graders. Of these 108 kids, 36 say they prefer or think about athletics as something really important to them. I don't know what the actual question had phrased it as, but when I divide it, that's just a third, so it's about 33%. We're supposed to use this answer to help determine if these events of being in 5th grade and ranking athletic are independent events. So I already know the probability of athletic given they're in 5th grade. I'm just going to compare that to the probability of just straight being athletic, of wanting to be athletic or whatever. So I don't have this condition of 5th grade or even not 5th grade. I am just saying in general, out of everybody, how many of them in total rate being athletic is important to them. So it's 98 out of 335. That is not a third, which means 293. Wow, that's not a 9. 293. Which means the moment I know that somebody's in 5th grade, I have an increased probability of picking somebody who's athletic. So because these are not the same, so because the probability of choosing athletic is not the same as choosing somebody who ranks athletic, given you chose a 5th grader, because they're not equal, because the probability changes with one of these events being true, the events are not independent. Knowing one of these conditions, knowing one of these events is true, helps me predict something a little bit better. It changes the probability of something else being true. So that's for 74.